The Partnership for Water Sustainability had the fortuitous circumstance of having Storm Cunningham contact us literally out of the blue water. It was as a result of some of the work we've done in the past. I think it was the session we did in Nanaimo last year. Those of you who attended Storm's lecture the other night, this might be a little bit of a refresher. But it's funny how people, champions, we get together, we align ourselves with others who we think like ourselves. And I think that's how this happened. Storm reached out to the partnership and we said, we think we've got an invitation for you. And it was Storm who accepted the invitation to come here today, be a part of this symposium, and help us with what I think is one of the most innovating and exciting ways forward for all of us in the room, no matter where we are, whether we're a community group, a stakeholder, a local government staff person. The things that Storm's going to talk about is a way forward for us. So sitting down the other night with Storm, I said, Storm, describe yourself. Thinking I was maybe going to get a traditional response about where I went to school and some of the values I had. And Storm looked at me and he says, well, I'm a hippie Green Beret scuba herpetologist. Did I say that right? Herpetologist? The study of amphibians and reptiles. So this describes a little bit about where Storm comes from. Passion, an incredible wealth of diverse experience. And you'll hear all of that come out in the closing remarks that Storm's going to make for us. Storm's an author of 2 published books, The Restoration Economy, reWealth, and I understand he's got his 3rd book that's going to be out shortly. He may actually talk a little bit about that. He's the publisher of a journal called Revitalization. One of the leading experts in the entire world on this $1 trillion industry that's emerging around renewal, restoration, redevelopment opportunities for anything. One of the things that, as I wind up into my career and I'm moving along and I'm thinking about retirement is what kind of a legacy am I going to leave? Am I going to leave and look back at this creek project that I was able to get done, a bit of policy that I was able to write? When I look at a legacy, one of the legacies that Storm is going to leave, this is where you really make a difference, because it's been through Storm's direct involvement that numerous universities and colleges have raised millions of dollars in endowments to actually start new chairs around the things that he's talking about. So when you talk about the ability to institute an entire collective worldwide around a new way of thinking, that's legacy. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to invite Storm up to close us off today. Storm?